Alright, congratulations. You already reached this level. And you may have noticed that you learn a lot, you achieve a lot, but you don't know what the heck is going on. And the computer got so much of the potential that is yet to be released, to be discovered. So, I made this section. So, if you are not a computer science student, you know what? This is a great opportunity to actually dive deeper, unlock the great power of computer science, unlock the power of your computer. Right now, you must got a computer, right? You have to know your tools. And if you review all the things that we have learned, it's mainly about like a variable, like a box. Okay, we can put things inside the box and we take it out. When we take it out, you can use print to actually print things out. Okay, and you think about it, the computer is more about computation. We don't actually do any of the computation yet. And you know what? That's intentionally. That's how I designed this. I want you to quickly get in like instant feedback by just input a literal string, put that inside the variable box, print it out. Okay? If you review all the video, just as simple as that. How simple is that? You put a string, put some text, print it out. All the previous video is about this. So, let's actually do some calculation. If you think about this, computer, that literally means they are going to compute things. They are doing the calculation. And I wanted to demystify this. Computer science, or machine learning, like a deep learning, and like all this large language model, right now, really hot thing, still done by a computer. And I want to demystify this in this section because computer is just a tool for computation. So the computer is not so smart. Even the AI seems pretty smart. It's not actually, it's just the data, just a number. It's just a huge number of number crunchings and the neural network, all these weights and the files, these functions, like activation functions, all that. By the way, I also got a machine learning as well as deep learning bootcamp, AI bootcamp as well as Python and all that. If you're interested, check it out. I will involve a little bit of how to add AI functionality in this specific iOS app bootcamp, but I'm going to use the model that we trained in that bootcamp. So it will be fun because nowadays it won't like be competitive. You have to like add a little bit AI, like a core proprietary model inside the model. But that's complete another story for another time. But I want to know that all this fancy little technology is about number, about data, about how to compute, and achieved by computer. And computer is the tool that you're using is not so smart. The people are smart. The people who train them, the people who actually use them are smart. Okay? So I want to demystify this. And since we're going to talk about computation, first we're going to introduce how computer actually works. It's just a really quick, fancy way to calculation. And then we can actually use this computer, do the computing. And then we're going to add a little bit, we're going to add a little bit of logic to the computation. And then we can do amazing thing. That's the step. Okay? I'm so excited. Let's get started.